Acne is a common skin condition categorized by the presence of pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, sometimes deeper cysts and nodules. Acne occurs commonly on face when air follicle becomes clogged with oil and dead skin cells, leading to the formation of bacteria and inflammation. Acne can range from mild to severe. It depends on various causes including hormonal fluctuations, genetics, certain medications and lifestyle factors such as diet and stress. While it is most prevalent during adolescence due to hormonal changes, and it can affect people of all ages. Today in this video we will see how to control acne with the help of skincare products. First up we have a PHA toner. PHA or polyhydroxy acids gently exfoliate the skin, unclogging pores and preventing breakouts. PHA toners soothe existing breakouts and prevent the development of future ones. After cleansing your face with your regular cleanser, take a few drops of PHA toner, spread it on your palms and press it against your skin. Clogging of pores is one of the main reasons for acne. PHA toner unclogs the pores so it soothes the existing acne and prevents the future ones. I am using the Minimalist PHA toner. Next we have salicylic acid. Salicylic acid penetrates deep into the pores, dissolving the oil and debris that leads to acne. By clearing out pores, it prevents the formation of new pimples. This exfoliation keeps the pores clean and prevents the buildup of dead skin cells that contribute to acne. It reduces redness and swelling associated with acne. Salicylic acid is effective against various types of acne, including blackheads, whiteheads, papules, and pustules. It penetrates into the skin to target the underlying causes of acne and promotes clearer skin. Salicylic acid regulates sebum production by controlling oiliness. It reduces the likelihood of pores becoming clogged. I use salicylic acid from Care. Next is Niacinamide Moisturizer. Niacinamide regulates the production of sebum, which prevents pores from becoming clogged and reduces the risk of acne breakouts. Niacinamide strengthens the skin's natural barrier function, which is often compromised in acne-prone skin. Niacinamide minimizes the appearance of enlarged pores, which are often associated with acne-prone skin. Smaller pores are less likely to become clogged with debris and oil, reducing the risk of acne breakouts. I use the Plum's Niacinamide Moisturizer. Since we are using acids on our face, it is very important to use a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 50. I have two options. One is the matte sunscreen and the other one is the dewy sunscreen. If you have oily skin, choose matte sunscreen, which gives you an ultra matte finish. If you have dry skin, choose the dewy sunscreen, which gives you a glowy dewy finish. Sun exposure can worsen acne and acne scars by causing inflammation and hyperpigmentation. Acne can leave behind dark marks known as post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Sunscreen prevents UV rays from darkening these spots, allowing them to fade more quickly. Sunscreen helps to protect the skin from harmful UV rays, reducing the risk of these issues. These sunscreens are from Foxtale. If you want to know more about this sunscreen or my take on Foxtale products, I will leave the link in the description box. I have done a separate video on Foxtale review. You can follow this routine for day and night. Just skip the sunscreen for the night. Follow this skincare routine for at least 4 weeks to see a visible result in your acne reduction. Share this video with your friends and family to those who are suffering with acne issues. Thank you so much for joining with me today. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe for more beauty made easy awesomeness.